Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Here's a puppy. He's climbed up a slide. Go! Go! A kitten's at the top, too. Go on, kitten. Slide down. It's so fun to play at the playground. The puppy and the kitten have gotten tired. Time to have a bite to eat. The yellow bowl has some puppy chow. But the milk in the kitten's bowl is almost gone. Oh, look! A truck's overturned. All the blocks fell out of its bed. And the milk truck is blocked on the bridge. It can't move forward. Helper cars, come out of the garage, quick! We need your help. This is an excavator. And a bulldozer is coming up behind it. Together, they're going to clear the road. Then the milk truck can get on its way. Do you hear? The helper cars are already here. The bulldozer lowers its blade. It's removing the scattered blocks. The excavator is ready for its mission too. It will roll the truck back upright. And yay! Let's load the blocks back into the truck. Up! Look how skillfully the excavator completes its work. The helper cars did the job really quickly. The milk truck is off to the farm to get some milk for the kitten. Oops! Some fresh, healthy milk goes into the tank. The milk comes from cows. The tank is full. Now it's off to the playground. Oh, kitten, come and have some milk. Enjoy! Oh, the excavator is unloading the blocks. After lunch, it would be fun to build a tower and a castle. Let's play! And the helper cars can rest some in the garage. They'll soon have some new work to do.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little puppy doesn't know what he should play with. The ball? It would be boring to play ball alone. Wait a second. It's a bit too early for bedtime. Let's think how we can cheer you up. Look, the excavator with a grapple. The crane truck. The dump truck. And one more. 2 dump trucks. The helper cars are going to build a playground for the puppy. It will be so fun playing on the playground. Puppy, wake up! The helper cars are starting their work. The crane truck is unloading the dump truck. It's lowering the parts for a tunnel onto the ground very carefully. The second dump truck is unloading its body by itself. A tire. Oh! A blue arch. Let's attach the tire to it. That's a trampoline. Let's put it somewhere. Right there. A ramp. You're meant to jump over the hurdle. And a seesaw. The tunnel is missing its entrance. There we go. The puppy is asking his friends to play. Stop, little car. Let's go to the new playground. That really is a big playground. Where should we start? The puppy has jumped over the barrier. The little car has picked the trampoline. Oh, it couldn't jump through. Now it's stuck. We'll have to pull him out. Thank you, excavator. The kitten has climbed onto the seesaw. The playground for the puppy is wonderful. The helper cars, as always, have got the job done. Time for them to have a rest in their garage. Till next time.
cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars and the puppy are playing with their ball. Some cows live in the small paddock next to them. One of the cows is napping. And another one is drinking some water. Watch out! The puppy uses his head to hit the ball. What about the car? It uses its wheels. Wow! The green car is getting ready to hit the ball. Ooh! That was hard. Oh! The fence is shaking. It's falling. That's not good. The animals are going to wander off. One cow's noticed that the fence has fallen down. Now they are all spreading out. They're going to get lost. The puppy is calling his friends. They have to stop the cows. Stop! Go back home. None of them want to go back with the fence broken. It needs to be fixed before the cows run off. It's the helper car's garage. The little red car is knocking on the door. Come on out, helper cars. Here they come. The crane truck and 2 forklift trucks. The crane truck is going to fix the fence. The forklift trucks have brought some treats. There's hay. And there are carrots. Puppy, let's call the cows over. The puppy is barking very loudly, but the cows aren't paying him any attention. What can they do? I know. Let's draw them over with the carrots. We'll throw some carrots on the ground so they see the treats and go back home. A road made out of carrots. That's funny. The little cars want to help. Hey, cow, look what I've got. It's working. All of them are going back home. Well done, everyone. Quick, crane truck, let's fix the fence. Lift each section back up. Perfect! Oh, The ball is still in the paddock. Catch, little cars. It looks like the cows love playing with the ball too. Thanks, helper cars. Till next time.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The puppy is sleeping in its kennel. Oh, he smells something. The puppy is trying to figure out the smell. Dogs have a very good sense of smell. He smells smoke. There's a fire somewhere. Helper cars, we need your help. Please find out what's caught fire. The bulldozer and police car are leaving the garage. They're going to look for the fire. Puppy, you should call the fire truck now. Ah, the door is not opening. Run to the repair shop for some motor oil. That's where the fire is. The forest is burning. The police car has a fire extinguisher. There's not enough of that foam to put out the trees. Bulldozer, dig a ditch so the other trees don't catch fire. They'll be cut off with a protective barrier. The puppy has made it to the repair shop. He found some motor oil. He can put some oil on the garage door, and it should open. Fire truck, move back from the door slightly. We're pouring on a little oil. It's ready! Hooray! The fire truck's turning on its emergency lights and sirens. He's going to put out the fire. The fire truck has come so quickly. Turn on the water. It's working. The fire's been put out. Everyone is very happy. Now the cars can return to the garage. Thank you, helper cars. These cars always have a lot of work. I wonder who they'll help next. Till next time, helper cars.